For me, basketball has always felt like home. There was just something about it. I don't know if it's magic or spiritual, or I have no idea, but there just was an instant connection, and I've known it's just what I've meant to be doing. Girls' sports were big growing up. I mean, I wasn't one of those girls growing up that felt like, girls shouldn't be playing sports. So it was a little different environment than maybe elsewhere around, but great environment for sports, and especially girls' sports. I don't think I realized that I could play in college until my sophomore, junior year of high school. And at that time, we were kind of the first generation to have, that as a viable opportunity. And then I started being recruited, and then I looked at, wow, this is an opportunity to have college paid for, to use this gift and this sport that I love to be able to get an education. And I was part of Tara Vanderveer's first recruiting class, and at that time, Stanford was not even on the map. I remember being in the gym warming up for games thinking, like, where is everybody? Nobody came to games. And then once we started to win, then people took notice, and we ended up filling Maples Pavilion by my senior year, and it was a really exciting time to see something go from literally nothing to national championship in a 4-year period. That's nearly impossible today. It probably was after college that I realized, wow, what the opportunity Title IX gave me to get an education and to be able to play my sport at the highest level. I had an opportunity to play in France, and then Sweden, and then obviously with the Olympic teams. Aside from our goal being to win a gold medal, it was to show the American people what the next level of women's basketball was, and that we could play on the professional level. Having the WNBA now, having all these opportunities, that's also a direct result of Title IX. Because I played for so long, I got to experience a lot of different coaching. And so I thought, I've got to use this somewhere. And when, the University of San Francisco called and said, hey, would you be interested in coming and interviewing? And I thought maybe this is the right thing. I love the Bay Area, and it's been a joy to be able to give the knowledge that I have to the young people that I'm working with. And it couldn't be a better fit than right now. I think sports, it really brings out the best in people. I think, you learn how to lead, you learn how to follow, you learn how to be a good teammate, and I think it helps your growth as a person. But if you've had that experience and you know what those relationships are like, and you know how to give, I think sports really make you a better person. Thanks to Title IX, I was able to get a first-class education that my family never could have afforded. I was able to see the world, travel the world, playing the sport that I loved, and also be able to continue my career and play that sport professionally at the highest level.